The Zhiyun Smooth X Stabilizer. Is it any good? Well, the packaging looks nicely done and it only cost 40 euros. Surely it can't be that bad. Well, you are right. For the money, it's a lot. The material chosen is good and does not feel cheaply made. It looks a lot like the DJI Osmo Mobile stabilizers. The latest model from DJI, which also has a retractable selfie stick. Just the overall choice of buttons, where they were put, how they look, they definitely had that DJI Osmo in mind. Now this is a cheaper alternative. So what's the catch? Well, this is a 2-axis gimbal, not a 3-axis gimbal. A 2-axis gimbal stabilizes your camera over 2 axes only, pitch and roll. It will not compensate for yaw movements. A 3-axis gimbal, however, will cancel a slight movement in all axes. Also, with the DJI Osmo Mobile, you could move your phone at a slight angle with the stick. On the Smooth X, this is done manually, by adjusting the end piece. It's this type of things that were money savers for this company. With all this technical stuff out of the way, does it work? Well, yes, but also no. It does stabilize your footage. The extendable selfie stick is handy for making certain shots and it basically works like its more expensive brother from DJI. But here is where the problems start. You have to register your gimbal with the app. You can't use it without. Seems to be a trend with these Chinese products, since the recently reviewed Insta360 Go 2 also has this annoying problem. So you'd think that the app works well, but, well, think again. Every time I filmed using the app instead of my own camera app from iOS, the footage would turn out horrible. And yes, I checked all the settings. I'm not sure what's causing this, but once you film on the camera app in iOS, with the stabilizer, it's just much better. Also, if you start this thing up and don't grab it by its handle right away, it will move very weirdly until it locks in place, which feels very odd. As if it's broken. Folding this thing up also is a hassle, although it has a very small footprint when it's folded. It's just not easy to do and I got annoyed real quickly because of it. So of course I cannot decide for you, but if I had to give you advice on whether or not to purchase this, I would say only if you are just starting out and don't want to spend a lot of money yet on gear. It sure can help you out with those smooth shots. But if you can spare it, you should go for the DJI Osmo Mobile. That just works a lot better overall, is easier to use and feels a lot more premium too.